Everything about this phone screams premium flagship. The aluminum sides, color, density, glass back, even the ridiculous camera bump makes this feel very high-end. I really like the design. You can tell that no corners were cut when designing this phone, and it really feels that way. This is the global variant, so the specs are Exynos 990, 12GB RAM, 128GB UFS 3.0 storage, expandable via microSD card. Before we move on, I would really appreciate if you sub to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The screen is a 6.9-inch 1440p HDR10 Plus panel with a 120Hz variable refresh rate, which means that the phone can drop down as low as 10 Hz when the screen is not being used. This will definitely help in increasing the screen on time. There is a caveat though. The phone cannot be used at the adaptive refresh rate of 120Hz when it's set to its full resolution. It's virtually bezel-less. Samsung has used the new Gorilla Glass Victus on the phone, but as we've seen in the Jerry Rig Everything's Breakdown video, it isn't a huge leap forward than Gorilla Glass 6. This is the Exynos model, so obviously it's not as fast as the Snapdragon variant, but it shouldn't be much of an issue with everyday usage. However, it will be sorely missed whenever something CPU intensive is to be done. The S Pen is now on the left side instead of the right side, so seasoned Note users will be mildly annoyed by that. It is extremely responsive now with the latency down from 42 milliseconds to 9 milliseconds, which is amazing. The camera on this phone isn't subtle by any means. It houses a 108 megapixel f1.8 sensor with laser autofocus and OIS, a 12 megapixel f3.0 120mm periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and 50x hybrid zoom, in comparison to the S20 Ultra's 100x zoom, and a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide sensor. The laser autofocus is remarkably fast and accurate, and the overall picture and video quality is really good. The Note 20 Ultra also offers better audio recording options, so overall video capabilities on the phone have been improved to compete with the best video camera in the market, the iPhone 11 Pro. The battery is 4500 mAh, but with the variable refresh rate, it should not be much of a downgrade over the 5000 mAh battery of the S20 Ultra. It also offers 25-watt fast charging. Samsung DeX is available wirelessly via Miracast now, and it doesn't need a cable anymore. As always, this is an impressive addition to the Note lineup. We only wish for the Snapdragon variant to be available globally as well. Do let me know in the comments below if you plan on buying this. This is wordbynerd, and I'll see you in the next one.